the music. Raise up your flags. Ready?
Sure. Yeah. Hello.
The Deacon High is his way. The emancipator of the great kingdom. The emancipator of Rivers State.
Are you in SCP?
No way.
Which of the factions are you in the APC?
No.
So this is the reaction of those who don't have hope. But we know PDP River State, we have hope, is it not?
Yes.
So shout like those who have hope. Shout like those who are children of God. Shout like those who have made it. PDP!
Power to the people!
Well, it's like you are trying to get to that area. But I was thinking before we came that you're already prepared. So if you are prepared, shout as people who are in charge of Port Harcourt. If you know PDP, River State is in charge of Port Harcourt. Let me hear you say it. PDP!
Power to the people!
Power to the women!
PDP!
Power to the youth!
PDP!
Power to Falga!
PDP!
Power to Rivers!
PDP!
Power to all of us here.
PDP!
Our dear leaders, particularly the leadership of Port Harcourt, let me, on behalf of the Guba candidates and members of our entourage, most sincerely thank all of you for coming out in mass to welcome us to this rally in Port Harcourt. It's very obvious, it is clear that Falga is PDP Rivers and PDP Rivers is what?
Falga!
Let me say something clearly. This election is an election between us and those betrayers of Rivers people. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
This election is between Rivers people and betrayers of Rivers people. Those who cannot stand, who can never be firm, only looking for what they put in their pockets. Are you ready to defeat them?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to defeat them?
Yes, sir.
Because the statement must be made. We must know who is in charge of Falga. So many people have been bragging they are in charge. We must tell them that they are not in charge of Falga. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
From Ward 1 to Ward 20, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Again, let me say, I don't need to say what we have done in Falga. You know it yourself. From town, even where some of them, their father's houses are, which I named even after them. From that area down here, is there anywhere we have not touched?
Nowhere.
Is there anywhere we have not touched?
Nowhere.
Look at the city today. Look at OGRA. Look at the new GRA. Look at the communities in Port Harcourt. Have I not done them?
You have done them.
Have I not done them?
You have done them.
And the Kaya community. I will not do those in the Kaya community. Look at infrastructure. Is it health? Is it sports? So many people say Port Harcourt, that we are dualizing Port Harcourt alone. The candidate has said it all. The city is the image of the state. The city is the image of the state. If you are coming into the city or into the state and the city looks bad, what impression does it give you? It means that even the rural areas will be worse. Is it not?
It is.
But as people now driving here, they see how beautiful. They fly up, they come down. They fly up, they come down. They fly up, they come down. They fly up, they come down.
Now so. Yes, we can walk away,
Have you seen any of them campaigning that we have not done anything?
No way.
Have they said so?
No way.
Can they say so?
No way.
Sin is what?
Believe it.
Sin is what?
Believe it.
How many of you have been opportune to go overseas? Particularly America. Who have been to America here? You have been there. Okay, you may have gone to South Africa, so many places, right? Is there any difference between Port Harcourt and those countries now?
No.
Is there any difference?
No.
When we started this project, they say, oh no, they will not finish it. They just want to leave it as an abandoned project. Have they not seen it now?
They have seen it.
So you will be glad that you come from Port Harcourt, is it not?
It is.
You will be glad that you come from River State, is it not?
It is.
It is because you supported us. If you didn't support us, we would not have achieved it. Now, they have told you whom to vote for. The governorship candidate and his deputy, the Senator Oluwoloyeso, the House of Reps, Chima Bombs, and Ms. Blessing Amadi, and then the three assembly, Solomon Wami, Ansedo Opara, and Smart Adoki. All these people will consolidate and continue with the good work we have done so that Rivers people can benefit more. And I believe the governorship candidate, by the grace of God, who will be sworn in May 29, 2023,
so
will do better. Let me also say this. Some people say violence, that we are stopping people from campaigning. You know people who their DNA, when you open their body, the blood, what you will see is falsehood, lies, propaganda. There is a law which says if you want to use public facility, government facility, built by government, if you want to use a school, if you want to use our stadium, you pay certain amount of money so that if you destroy anything, government will be in a position to use that money and rebuild whatever you have destroyed. And they said they will not pay. We as PDP, we are in government, yet we obey the law. As we use here, we have paid the money to government coffers. How dare all the small associations, how dare to say you will not obey the law?
No way.
If you don't obey, we will resist you.
Yes, sir.
If you don't obey, we will
Resist you.
You that is breaking the law is one that causing violence, not somebody who said the law must be obeyed. We have no problem. If you want to go to any community hall, the community allows you. What's our business? But if you want to use our own facility, you must pay. You must do what?
Pay.
If you don't pay, you will use it.
No way.
So let them tell people the truth. You want to show that you will disobey the law? Anything you see, you take it.
You take.
No be so?
That's so.
And this is what I want to tell the Nigerian police, River State Command. You are the one supporting them to disobey the law, to cause violence. Police, if you don't want to do your duty, let us know. I will release our neighborhood watch. If you don't do your work, we'll take over your work from you.
Yes, sir.
Police, if you don't want to do your work, we'll take your work from you.
That's so.
You cannot support people who are breaking the law. You know the truth of the matter. You are scared so that they don't do what or don't transfer you. Your duty is not to be permanent anywhere. As far as you're a security man, you can be sent to anywhere, any day. But this one you are playing, you are neither here nor there. It will not save you.
No way.
It will not save you. Do your work. Nobody should intimidate you. Look at people crying. They forget how they were using the military. Was not here. When the military came here to make sure to carry the ballot papers and the results, not here.
Not here.
They forget how the military took over all collection centers to take away the materials. It's not because you stood firm and they're opening their dirty mouth. Because we are loyal, we will abide to the rule of law. Tell them not to push out to the wall. Tell them not to push out to the wall. If you don't want to obey the law, you face the consequences of it.
Yes, sir.
Look at this small boy whom I flogged in 2015. I don't know where they say he come from. Is it Abia or Provoking? Which of the area?
Kogi State.
Okay, you will know better. Envy. I flogged him out in 2015. He has not recovered from that. He thought they would give him ticket in 2019. He didn't get.
He didn't get.
There's something to be in NIMASA. Ask him, what did he bring for Rivers people? What did he bring?
Nothing.
Did he bring anything?
Nothing.
Shameless people.
He didn't
Shameless politicians. You have a position, you cannot help your people. And you are coming out to open your mouth simply because you didn't get, and they did not give you second time to be DG of NIMASA. You have the guts to tell me I should name my presidential candidate. Are we at the same level?
No way.
Failure and success, are they the same?
No way.
Look at a man who is always failing every day. And let me also tell him, he does not understand the activities of G5.